Hey tubes, we had a catastrophic failure while filming the next video, cutting down a tree and removing a stump. When I was putting the camera on the tripod, I inadvertently pushed a button on the camera called video snap. That turns the camera off by itself after 4 seconds. We didn't realize the camera was off until after the tree was cut down, which was a critical part of the video. You can see me and Lil Racer farting around with the camera, trying to figure out what the problem was. I felt that what film we did get was still YouTube worthy, so I hope you can still enjoy it, and sorry for the mishap. Hey tubes, we got us another tree here we got to take down. It's a shame, it's a healthy tree, but it's getting too close to the house here. It's an ornamental spruce or whatever they call them. I'll put it in a box what kind of tree it was, but I got my partner up there. Say hi to tubes. Yeah, he's just going to attach a rope to it, and then we'll cut it halfway, maybe about 6 foot off the ground or so, and then try and rip it out with the truck. It's only shallow rooted, so maybe it'll come, but we'll see what happens. Alright, see what happens now. Yeah, it's getting a little too close to the house, plus the maple tree here is encroaching on it, and it's not growing on one side. And then once it gets above the roof, it's flourishing, but it's a good healthy tree. It's just the two trees aren't working too good together, so we'll take it down.
Yeah, that's better. It was something loading around the outside of it.
What'd you do?
Nothing, they just changed it from...
Oh. Alright, see what happens. You rip the ball off? I don't know.
Wants to break away, but
Yeah, I got no traction at all.
Yeah. It looks good.
Yeah. Traction is low. Looking up the wheels. Yeah. Just a plug now.
All right. Almost got it. That's the whole work though. That's the Mother Earth.
Alrighty, hook us up.
We got it.
Really?
Yeah. Just stuck right there.
Yeah, but I'm stuck too. It's just laying there, that's not glued in. Well, there you go, tubes. Mean little race, ripped it out. Didn't want to, but that's it. That's all she wrote. See you later.